Do you want to fly longer and further than any recreational drone on the market? Do you require top professional photography and great video stability? Well, then the commercial drones we reviewed below can accomplish all of that. Drones have become more than just a form of recreational activity. Today they can be used as a business tool that can assist with structural inspections, drone mapping, professional cinematography, aerial surveillance, etc. Below we reviewed some to the top commercial drones available on the market today. Number 1. DJI Inspire 2. The DJI Inspire 2 is an outstanding upgrade of the Inspire 1 that comes with all the advanced features for high-level recording functionality. DJI Inspire 2 used some of the best features from its forerunner, Inspire 1, to further enhance the drone. One can only compliment them with this newly improved features that created a remarkable drone that can dominate the skies. The DJI Inspire 2 boasts refined aerial performance, unrivaled reliability, top-of-the-range video transmission, as well as a more defined look to cap it all off. If you are a commercial cinematographer looking for a Hollywood-worthy video capturing performance, look no further than this drone. The DJI Inspire 2 is arguably the finest flagship-level drone available out there. It offers industry-leading safety functions, great app functionality, incredible build quality, and stunning optics. DJI's cameras, using the Zenmuse range, have been growing alongside the range of drones it produces. The X5S was designed to perfectly complement the Inspire 2. It features a micro Four Thirds snapper and a bigger sensor than previous offerings, which enhances the details in your shots and vibrancy of the colors. It is no different from snapping with a high-end professional still camera and ensures that you shoot some breathtaking static images. For the video quality, the X5S, when paired with the Inspire 2, is like a match made in heaven. The DJI Inspire 2 delivers premium performance that is befitting of its premium status. With its 7.58 pounds weight, it can cruise at 40 miles per hour in normal speed mode and clock 69 miles per hour in the sport configuration. However, you'll need a clear sky to fly in this mode as it tends to disable the obstacle avoidance feature. The drone employs the latest DJI Lightbridge technology to manage a maximum transmission range of 7 kilometers, 4.3 miles. At this distance, it can deliver both 1080p and 720p videos to the pilot and camera operator. Number 2. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro is a photographer's dream come true. It is the perfect flying camera and comes with a compact and foldable design that you can comfortably carry around while traveling. It is the first DJI drone to feature a Hasselblad camera, enabling you to capture high-quality images and record pristine 4K video. DJI improved on their Mavic 1 by sticking a giant 20MP Hasselblad camera with a 1-inch sensor on the compact Mavic 2 Pro. The drone features high sensors to prevent mid-air collisions and boasts a longer, further, and faster flight compared to its predecessor. In a nutshell, the DJI Mavic Pro has improved every aspect of the Mavic 1 to include a larger battery and motor, as well as enhanced stability in strong winds. It offers a great bang for the buck. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro delivers one of the best drone footage you can get from a compact form factor. The video quality is crisper compared to other 4K drones, and this can be credited to the size of the sensor. While most drones on the market are fitted with a 1/2.3 sensor, the 2 Pro uses a 1-inch CMOS sensor, which is 4 times bigger than what's on the DJI Mavic Air. You can shoot 20MP stills and record videos at different frame rates available. For 4K footage, you get 24, 25, as well as 30 frames per second. You can also do this at a lower resolution of 2.7K at 48, 50, and 60 frames per second, while a 1080p will give you 120 frames per second. DJI claims that Mavic 2 Pro will give you 31 minutes of flight time, although testing it in real-world conditions reduces it to around 28 minutes. You also get an unprecedented 8 kilometers, 5 miles, control range, which I doubt would be possible to test without contravening the law. The transmission system is more reliable compared to the original DJI Mavic Pro and seems vastly superior to rival drones such as the Parrot Anify. The drone is quite agile in the air, offering maximum speeds of 44 miles per hour despite its 2-pound takeoff weight. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro comes with standard intelligent flight modes like Quick Shots, Point of Interest and Cinematic. With Quick Shots, you can fly the drone in complicated patterns that would be hard to pull off if you're not an experienced pilot. Number 3. DJI Mavic Air. At this point, we can't dispute the monopoly that DJI drone has on high-performance commercial drones. The DJI Mavic Air is yet another great quadcopter, although unlike its siblings above, it will be much kinder to your budget. The drone is packed with features that not only make it fun to fly but also offers improved filming. What will impress you on the Mavic Air is the many camera options that allow you to shoot panoramic helicopter-style shots, as well as multiple intelligent flight functions. The DJI Mavic Air uses a quality camera that shoots 12MP stills while recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second, or you can slow things down at 1080p at 120 frames per second. The camera features a 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor enhanced footage resolution. An 8GB internal memory allows you to film and store footage without an SD card. It also makes swapping or adding an SD card a smoother process. You'll probably need more storage space given that recording a 2-minute 4K video at 30 frames per second will take 1.5 GB of data. A 3-axis gimbal stabilizer ensures that you take clear stills and videos even in windy conditions. You get much more steadier shots with this camera drone thanks to a range of smart camera modes. The extreme version called Sphere Panorama puts together 25 images for a 32MP panorama in just a minute. Cool video modes like Boomerang and Asteroid make it more interesting for users to capture footage. The DJI Mavic Air hovers in the air for about 21 minutes. In real-world conditions, you'll get around 18 minutes of flight time. The controller range is about 4 kilometers, 4 miles, which the drone can achieve at a normal speed of 22 miles per hour. The DJI Mavic Air can clock awe-inspiring speeds of 42 miles per hour. You can imagine how intense the experience can be when wearing a pair of DJI goggles. Multiple sensors and the camera on the drone make for an effective obstacle avoidance system that can spot hazards as far as 20 m ahead.